What if I told you that millions of people are already getting mental health support from an AI? No waiting rooms, no co-pays, no judgment. Sounds perfect, right? But here's what nobody's talking about, and it might change how you think about your own mind. Hey, welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most controversial topics in psychology right now: artificial intelligence and mental health. Is AI actually helping people heal? Or is it creating a whole new set of psychological problems we're not ready for? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Right now, there are apps that use AI to simulate therapy conversations. And people are using them a lot. Studies show that AI-powered mental health tools can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression in some users. And honestly, it makes sense why people turn to them. Therapy is expensive, waitlists are long, and sometimes you just don't want to talk to another human about the darkest parts of your mind. AI doesn't judge. AI doesn't get tired. AI is available at 3 a.m. when you're spiraling. That's powerful. That's real. But here's where it gets complicated. When you talk to an AI, your brain starts to form something that feels like a relationship. Dopamine hits, emotional attachment, comfort. But the AI doesn't actually know you. It doesn't care. It's predicting your next word and reflecting it back at you. Psychologists call this parasocial bonding, and it can be dangerous. Because the more you rely on AI for emotional support, the less you practice real human connection. And real human connection? That's literally what your nervous system is built for. Some users have reported feeling genuinely heartbroken when an AI app changed its behavior after an update. Heartbroken. Over a chatbot. That tells you everything about how powerful this psychological pull really is. And it goes even deeper than that. AI is now being used to detect mental illness. Algorithms can analyze your voice, your typing patterns, even your social media posts to predict depression, anxiety, even suicidal ideation, sometimes before you're aware of it yourself. On one hand, that's incredible. Early detection saves lives. On the other hand, who owns that data? Who decides what happens with it? And what does it do to your psychology when you know you're constantly being analyzed? Research shows that the mere awareness of being watched changes human behavior. It's called the Hawthorne effect. So imagine knowing an AI is quietly reading your emotional state every single day. Here's the truth that most AI companies don't want you to think about. There is something in human healing that cannot be replicated by a machine. It's called attunement. The moment when another human truly sees you, feels with you, and holds space for your pain without trying to fix it. That moment of being genuinely witnessed by another person activates parts of your nervous system that no algorithm can touch. It's biological, it's ancient, and it's irreplaceable. AI can be a useful tool. It can provide information, coping strategies, a place to vent at midnight. But it cannot heal the wound that was created by other humans. Only humans can do that. So, what does this all mean for you? Use AI tools mindfully. If an app helps you track your mood or practice breathing exercises, great. But don't let it become a substitute for real connection. Notice if you're turning to AI because human relationships feel too risky or too hard. That avoidance is worth exploring. Maybe even with an actual therapist. The future of mental health will absolutely involve technology, but the most important breakthroughs will always happen between two human beings, in the same room, being real with each other. The most advanced technology in the world still can't replicate what happens when someone truly listens to you. So the next time you feel the urge to open an AI app instead of calling a friend, pause. Ask yourself what you're really looking for, because what you need might be closer than you think. If this made you think, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And drop in the comments. Have you ever used an AI for emotional support? No judgment. See you next time.